Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of e-commerce app development and answering one burning question. How can you build an online shopping app like Shein and tap into the booming fashion industry? Let's face it, mobile shopping apps are everywhere, and they've completely revolutionized the way we shop. And apps like Shein? They've taken it to a whole new level. With $58.5 billion in annual revenue in 2025, Shein has proven that the demand for online shopping is unstoppable. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a retailer, or a business enthusiast looking to create your own app, this video is your ultimate guide. Let's get started. Top features of an app like Shein. First things first, what makes Shein so popular? It's not just the clothes, it's the features. To build an app that stands out, here are some essentials you can't ignore. User-friendly interface, make your app easy to use. A clean, simple design makes all the difference. Product catalog, allows sellers to upload high-quality images and detailed descriptions, and provides customers with filters to find exactly what they want. Secure payments, integrate trusted payment gateways for credit cards, digital wallets, or even cash on delivery. Push notifications, stay in touch with your users by sharing exclusive offers and updates in real time. Social media integration, make signing up as simple as logging in with Facebook, Google, or Instagram. These are just the basics. Want to take it up a notch? Here's where advanced features come into play. Advanced features of shopping app like Shein. What separates a good app from a great one? Personalized recommendations. Let AI suggest products based on user preferences. AR/VR integration. Imagine your users virtually trying on clothes or makeup, all from the comfort of their homes. Abandoned cart recovery. Gently nudge your users to return and complete their purchases. These features can elevate your app and make it irresistible. Here's something fascinating. Shein's on-demand business model is a game-changer. Instead of mass-producing items, Shein uses a digital supply chain to launch small batches, analyze customer feedback, and restock only the most popular items. This approach reduces waste, lowers costs for customers, and delivers what people actually want. Incorporating such a model in your app could set you apart from the competition. So, how do you develop an app like Shein? Let's break it down into 6 simple steps. Market research and competitor analysis. Understand your audience and competitors. Define your unique selling point, USP. Why should users choose your app? Wireframing and prototyping. Plan your app's design and functionality. Design and development. Create a sleek UI and code the backend. Testing. Test for bugs, security, and user experience. Launch and marketing. Deploy your app and reach your audience through social media, ads, and influencers. Now, let's talk money. The cost of building an app like Shein depends on features. The more advanced, the higher the cost. Design. A sleek interface requires investment. Platform compatibility. Want your app on Android and iOS? That's an added expense. Backend infrastructure. Managing inventory, payments, and AI isn't cheap, but it's necessary. To give you an estimate, development costs could range anywhere from $30,000 to $150,000, depending on your requirements. Why build a shopping app? Still wondering if it's worth it? Here are 5 benefits of building your shopping app. Fashion never goes out of style. The demand is always there. Revenue generation. Your app can earn through ads, subscriptions, and direct sales. Better user engagement. Apps engage users more effectively than websites. Business expansion. Reach a global audience with just one app. Brand visibility. Stay in front of your customers 24/7. Building an app like Shein is your ticket to entering the booming e-commerce market. With the right features, strategy, and development team, you can turn your idea into a profitable business. Ready to build your dream shopping app? So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to turn your vision into reality. Let's create an app that climbs the charts and redefines online shopping.